ci sono anche due ricorrenze molto importanti oggi.
Sì? Dimmi.
Nel 1899 nasceva la Fiat. Ma chi le lava?
Salutiamo chi le lava.
Salutiamo
Chi le
sono tanti.
molto simpatico.
How do you get it to go up and down? Just relax. What happened to that? I'm putting all the...
Sir, the flags are blowing this way. You can like grab them like right here. Look at the trees. Yep. Yeah, it looks like a rainforest. Shaped view. It looks so good. Oh my god. Yeah, the trees are unbelievable here. Trees are so cool. Oh, this is weird. Oh wow. Oh wow. What the hell? Whoa! That's so good! What the hell is that? What was that? Whoa! 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 I've never ridden anything like that. That's so good. It's incredible. And there's ponies over there. I think someone's gonna have a seizure. I feel really like it. Or now you do. Now I do, yeah. Now you change your mind. Oh.